Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at some of the best betting apps, casino apps you can download for your mobile phone. So on the first place we have Leo Vegas. Now these are the pros and cons of Leo Vegas. It's got an outstanding casino and sports betting app, some of the best sports betting offer in 2022, and that includes esports. So if you're into electronics sports, this is very good. And it also has every modern iGaming feature you could think of. The Leo Vegas coins, it's a fairly modest sports betting welcome bonus. It has 10,000 rupees the welcome bonus. There's no bonuses or jackpot for video poker, and it's got a very mediocre banking method. So these are the cons. Nextly, we have 1xBet. So let's talk about the 1xBet pros. The pros for 1xBet is it has a perfect casino to get started in iGaming and betting. It has a very clever and responsive mobile platform, and it's got 24/7 support in 30 languages. So if you're ever stuck with something, you can always contact their support. The cons for 1xBet is only one gambling license from Curacao. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It's C-U-R-A-C-A-O. So Curacao or Curacao. I don't know how to pronounce that. And the desktop version isn't as good as the mobile casino. So if you're gonna use this app, make sure you use the mobile, because the desktop version is very annoying. As you can see, it doesn't even load for me. And it has a very difficult, it's difficult navigating through the app sometimes. So yeah, it's not really that user friendly. And lastly, we have our Casino Planet. So let's talk about some of the pros and cons of Casino Planet. Casino Planet, it's a very modern website and modern app. It's designed for very easy navigation. It has the state-of-the-art mobile casino for all operating systems, some of the most renowned software providers, and online games. So these guys, they're kind of famous. And Casino Planet, and these are the cons for them. The blue letters on the websites are kind of hard to read, as like Join Playground. If you're colorblind, this would be hard for you to read. But I'm not colorblind, so not at least entirely, so this isn't really that hard. There's a withdrawal fees, so yeah, you're not gonna get the entire withdrawn money. They're gonna take a small portion of this, and this Casino Planet is not available in all countries. So depending on which country you're at, it might differ from one person to another. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.